what is the syllabus and the recommended preparation strategy. So let's break this into different sections. When it comes to quantitative aptitude, after 16 questions, you can find around 10 to 11 or 12 odd question will be on arithmetic. It's an arithmetic heavy. Questions like percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time, speed, distance, time and work. This is the majority of the question that you can find in QA section. There will be one or two questions on set theory, numbers, maybe a single question on mensuration. This is what, and a question or two on probability and permutation combination. So this is the combination of 16 question in a QA section. It's not very difficult. Averagely prepared students can also easily attempt 12 to 13 questions in this section. If you are well prepared, I think you can attempt all 16 questions. It's just the time that you'll have to manage. If we talk about the logical reasoning section, in logical reasoning, there is no caselet. It only has single question. You'll find matrix arrangement, linear circular arrangement, but those will be pertaining have only single question. There will be questions on coding and decoding, decision making, input, output, and all the logical reasoning question that you can find. A couple of questions you can also find on verbal reasoning. Moving on to verbal ability. Now here there are few question types which are different from the other exams, such as they ask you questions based on verbs. There are questions based on figure of speech, then there are questions based on verbs, adverbs, types of verb, type of adverbs. So these are the questions which are generally tested. So there are 16 questions, but if you have done your schooling till class 10 in English medium, I don't think it should be difficult to score more than a 13 or a 14 mark in this particular section. It's just you need to revise figure of speech and everything. Probably you would be out of touch if in case. And GK, they generally ask question on current affairs last 6 to 8 months and few static GK questions. So this is the syllabus of the SAT exam.